I get this question a lot about if a tenant can use a security deposit as their last month's worth of rent in California as a matter of right. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, generally speaking, a security deposit cannot be used by a tenant unilaterally unless the landlord agrees to use that deposit for last month's rent in California. Under some changes to the security deposit law, most landlords can only charge 1 month's worth of rent worth of security. And generally speaking, the law has always been that a landlord doesn't have to account for that security deposit until after the tenant vacates, and the landlord has 21 days to render an accounting to the tenant of how their deposit was going to be used. If the tenant, for example, did not pay their rent, the landlord could deduct that month's rent that's owed from the deposit. Okay, so generally speaking, no, a tenant cannot use their security deposit in lieu of last month's rent. Obviously, if the landlord and tenant agree to do that, they can choose to do so by mutual agreement, or if there was some provision in the security in the lease agreement that stated that that's to happen, that could also apply as well too. Some landlords can charge up to 2 months worth of rent for a security deposit, but you have to have a specific exemption. So your mileage is going to vary. Folks, if you have questions, landlords, if you're in the Northern California area and you have a landlord-tenant issue just like this one, feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.